In this video I will share with you what, in my personal opinion, are the most useful plugins of 2021. My main argument if a plugin has been most useful is simple. Which plugin did I continue using after reviewing it and how often did I use that plugin? This brings me to my 5 most useful plugins of 2021. The Sonnox Claro EQ plugin. Claro will guide you in 3 distinctive windows from intuitive to flexible EQ to very in-mix details. The mix tab is the one I use the most. On multiple mix projects I use Claro to quickly reference multiple buses to see where conflicting frequency areas may happen, so I can create a more open mix easily. That is very nice and also very useful on all of your mixes. The free T-De-Esser Plus. This free de-essing plugin is on my voice on all of my videos since I reviewed it. Just insert it, use the setting which fits the particular voice the best, set the threshold and you're done. If you need more functions, there's also a pro version, but I have found that the free version usually is enough in most cases. Leapwing Audio Ultravox. This plugin is very handy and allows you to quickly dial in a good vocal sound. Just as with T-De-Esser, I use the Ultravox in all of my videos since I reviewed the plugin. And I use it as my main vocal compressor / gate / vocal EQ plugin now. It's really a useful plugin and it doesn't matter if you're very experienced in mixing or a beginner. Sonible Smart Limit. Also a pretty new plugin, and this limiter has ended up on all of my videos and mixing and mastering projects since I reviewed it. It's so easy to dial in the right amount of limiting with its AI learning function and tweak the style, saturation, balance and bass controls to adjust the master to your liking. Highly recommended. And this brings me to my number 1. This might come as no surprise for a lot of you. The most useful plugin of 2021 for me is Split EQ by Eventide. The way it handles transients and the tonal part of audio really resets how you look at audio and how you work. I have found you will need less compression when you use Split EQ. Also, after you have used it for a while, the plugin gets intuitive and you will use it to quickly adjust the audio you use it on. I love the plugin for debleeding, adding attack, reduce spikes, bring out tonality on guitars and voices, and much more. Split EQ might not be the first EQ plugin to offer attack and sustain processing, but the way Eventide has implemented it makes this, for me, the most useful plugin of 2021. You can find the links to all of these plugins in the description below. Also, I want to mention I started a new YouTube channel called Mix and Fix Your Audio, where I will do how-to and tutorial audio content only. Check it out if you're interested, the link is also in the description and the on-screen cards. I'll see you in 2022.